How long will our universe exist, and when and how will it end? This is probably the biggest question in every cosmic enthusiast minds. Every one of you would want to know what would be the condition of our universe after few years. Well, nothing is going to happen in just few years time. In fact, nothing is going to change in the universe even in coming 1,000 years. This much time is just a blink of an eye for universe. Let's move forward to witness some significant changes in our universe. After 1 billion years, the sun has become 10% brighter than it was in the 21st century, due to which the heat on Earth has increased a lot. According to NASA reports, the average temperature of Earth in 21st century was 14.5 degrees Celsius. But now, due to increasing heat of the sun, the average temperature of Earth has now reached around 50 degrees Celsius. Due to all this heat, all the seas and river have also dried up. The people of 21st century were warned that this was going to happen due to pollution and global warming, but no one cared. Due to the negligence of humans, the ozone layer has completely disappeared. Now, due to the increasing heat, life has long ended from the earth. Creatures called humans, once lived on earth, have now become extinct, like dinosaurs, due to increased radiation and heat from the sun. Entire earth has changed into a barren desert. Only few lucky rich people have gone to Mars because heat of the sun there is little less than that of earth. But within few thousand years, the heat of sun has increased so much that even Mars was not habitable. And now, at this time, humans cannot go anywhere and cannot do anything either. The species called human have now become extinct. At this time, no human exists in this universe. 4 billion years later, the neighbor of our galaxy, whose name is Andromeda Galaxy, has now become very close to our Milky Way galaxy. They have been since many years were coming close to each other. Now they have combined together to form a single large galaxy. Long ago, when humans were alive, that is the 21st century, this Andromeda Galaxy was about 2.5 billion light years away from the Milky Way. But now, they are going to collide with each other. The sky from the Earth looks something like this, a big Andromeda Galaxy which is coming closer. Finally, both galaxies have collided, and the Milky Way and the Andromeda together have formed a big galaxy, a single big galaxy. Now the sky of Earth is filled with twice the more stars than it used to have in 21st century. The night on the Earth will be 3 times more brighter due to the light from these stars. But this new super galaxy will have no name because the species called humans, who used to name everything, have now become extinct. There will be no humans to see this magnificent view. After 5 billion years from today, our solar system is going to end. It will be in the last years of its life because our sun, which controls the solar system, hold every planet together with its gravity, has started running out of energy. Slowly all of its energy is getting exhausted. It has become about 2 times bigger in size than it was in 21st century, and it is going to explode in just couple billion years. For now, it has just become a red dwarf. It will have eaten up or engulfed Mercury and Venus in itself. Now the sun looks something like this from the earth, a helpless, red, big, dying sun, and there will be no one to see it either. If we look from the angle of the solar system, at this time the size of sun is increasing even more, and it has now swallowed up first 2 planets of our solar system. Now there are not 8 but 6 planets in our solar system. Now the sun is swallowing up all the planets one by one. First it swallowed Mercury, then Venus, then it has swallowed the planet Earth, on which once humans used to live. Slowly and gradually, the sun has swallowed Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and now there is no planet left in the solar system. Only the sun is left. After 10 billion years from today, the solar system has come to an end. Now the solar system looks something like this: a dying old sun and pieces of planets scattered around it. A dying sun which is getting cold, and these small pieces are of those planets which were once swallowed by the sun about billion years ago. Few million years later, sun also sputter out and dies. The existence of solar system has now completely erased. After 100 billion years, at the place where our Milky Way galaxy and Andromeda galaxy combined to become a one galaxy about 6 billion years ago. Now here there are about 100 other galaxies as well. This area is called the Virgo supercluster. It means that this area, 100 of different galaxies have come together to each other with the help of their gravitational force, and all the galaxies together have formed a big supermassive galaxy. And all the different galaxies that came inside the supercluster, it will have a massive radius of 20 million light years. Any planet in this galaxy will have a sky full of stars with nights as bright as days. After 1 trillion years, it has been 900 billion years since all galaxies combined to form a super galaxy. But all of them have died by now, because all the stars inside the galaxies have now extinguished. They are dead because of their energy has finished, just like our sun has died long ago. Similarly, at this time, all the stars of all the galaxies of the universe are dying one by one, slowly, and slowly this super galaxy is getting finished. Also, no new star is going to be formed in the entire universe, because for the formation of new stars, dust cloud is required, which was available at many places in the universe long ago, but now there is no dust in this entire universe. There is no material left for the star formation. Therefore, no new star is going to be formed in the entire universe. Now no galaxy will be visible in this universe after 2 trillion years from today, as you must be knowing the fact that this universe is ever expanding. Yes, it is still expanding, but now after 2 trillion years, this speed has increased by million times. Now there is no galaxy in this universe, but some broken remains left due to the expansion of the universe. They are also moving away from each other. The gap between them is increasing because this universe is expanding very fast. After 20 trillion years from today, there are still handful of last stars left on the other side of the dying universe. And of course, those demons of space called black holes have become the kings of the universe. Stars and planets are now almost non-existent in this universe, but millions of black holes are roaming in this universe, and they are actively looking for leftover remains of planets and stars so they can eat them or engulf them. After 100 trillion years from now, few stars that were left on the other side of the universe have also died, and the black holes have started eating the few pieces of the remaining planets and stars, whatever things are left in the universe. Black holes are slowly eating everything. Their gravity is so strong that even light cannot escape them. Now there is no such thing left in the universe that can be seen. Only black holes and black holes are left. After 400 trillion years, this is the beginning of the end of the universe. Now nothing is left in this universe. Now only different atoms are moving in space separately are left along with the last remaining pieces of planet and stars, which the black holes could not swallow due to the distance. Those lucky particles are floating in space separately, but now because there is nothing left except black holes, so all the black holes are coming in front of each other due to their super strong gravitational force. And now all the black holes of this universe together have combined, just like galaxies, to become a supermassive black hole whose gravity is so strong that it cannot be imagined on papers, and this black hole has now started eating the remaining lucky particles as well. Now slowly this universe is dying. After 1 centillion years, with 1 and 303 zeros after it forms 1 centillion, this universe has become completely empty. The supermassive black hole has now evaporated due to Hawking radiation, meaning that the black hole, which were killing everything, are now killing themselves. And now in the span of few years, the black hole has also disappeared. And now that ultimate point has arrived where there are no electrons, no protons, no neutrons, and neither any planet nor any star, and even no black holes are present. And now nothing is left in this universe. This universe has ended now, and at this time nothing exists. Absolutely nothing, except this empty space. All the things inside the space have taken birth and ended, but not the space. What is the space? Will this ever going to end? No one knows. What is beyond this space? No one knows. If universe took centillion years to end, there is no way human mind could imagine how long will space take to end. All summarizes to one thing, that there will be always a superiority. If Earth dies, Sun will be there. If Sun dies, galaxies will be there. If galaxies dies, universe will be there. If universe dies, space will be there. And it can go on till infinity. So that's it for this video. I hope you find this video thrilling, and I will see you all again in some other video with another interesting topic. Till then, goodbye.